Hey everyone, welcome back to Billionaire Financial Lifestyle. It's FJ here, your guide to achieving financial freedom and designing the life you deserve. Times are tough and we're all feeling that budget squeeze, but what if you could take control of your income, call the shots, and be your own boss? That's what we're diving into today. In this video, we're exploring the top 5 side hustles you can launch in 2024 to boost your income and pave your way to financial independence. Whether you're passionate about sharing your knowledge, creating digital masterpieces, or turning your hobbies into a thriving business, there's a side hustle out there waiting for you. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos packed with actionable tips and strategies to elevate your financial game. Now, let's unlock the secrets to side hustle success. Our first power move in the world of side hustles is becoming a freelance mastermind. The gig economy is booming and businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented individuals to join their ranks remotely. Are you a master wordsmith, crafting compelling copy that captivates audiences? Or maybe you're a design whiz, transforming ideas into visually stunning graphics. Perhaps you're a social media guru, building engaged communities and driving brand awareness. Whatever your skill set, there's a freelance niche waiting for you to conquer. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You choose your projects, set your rates, and work from wherever you please. No more office cubicles or soul-crushing commutes. Imagine this, you're lounging on a beach, laptop in hand, sipping on a refreshing coconut, and closing deals with high-profile clients. That's the power of freelancing. But it's not just about the freedom and flexibility. Freelancing allows you to become an entrepreneur, building your own brand and scaling your income to new heights. As you gain experience and positive client testimonials, you can command higher rates, attracting even more lucrative projects. It's a virtuous cycle of growth and financial empowerment. To truly thrive in the freelance world, remember these golden rules? Establish a strong online presence that showcases your skills and experience. Your portfolio is your digital resume, so make it shine. Network with fellow freelancers and potential clients. Deliver exceptional work and exceed client expectations. Continuously learn and adapt to the ever-evolving demands of the freelance landscape. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and watch as freelancing transforms your financial future. Now, let's dive into the world of online tutoring, where you can become an online tutoring guru, imparting wisdom and boosting your income simultaneously. Are you a math whiz, effortlessly solving complex equations? Or maybe you're a language enthusiast, fluent in multiple tongues and passionate about sharing your linguistic prowess. Whatever your area of expertise, there's a student out there eager to learn from you. Online tutoring platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly connect students with qualified tutors across various subjects and grade levels. The demand for online tutoring has skyrocketed in recent years, fueled by the rise of remote learning and the increasing need for personalized education. As an online tutoring guru, you can set your own hours, work from the comfort of your home, and make a real difference in the lives of your students. Imagine the satisfaction of guiding a struggling student towards that aha moment, witnessing their confidence soar as they grasp a challenging concept. But it's not just about the personal fulfillment. Online tutoring can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms often offer competitive hourly rates, and you can increase your earning potential by tutoring multiple students or offering specialized tutoring services. To excel in the world of online tutoring, focus on creating engaging and interactive learning experiences. Utilize technology to your advantage, incorporating virtual whiteboards, educational games, and multimedia resources into your sessions. Patience and empathy are your superpowers. Remember, every student learns differently, so adapt your teaching style to meet their unique needs. Cultivate a supportive and encouraging learning environment where students feel comfortable asking questions and making mistakes. By combining your passion for teaching with the convenience of online platforms, you can become an online tutoring guru, making a difference while boosting your bank account. Now let's unlock the secrets to building a digital product dynasty. This side hustle is all about leveraging your knowledge and creativity to generate passive income streams that keep on giving. Imagine crafting an ebook that shares your expertise on a specific topic, designing eye-catching printables that brighten up people's lives, or creating an online course that empowers others with valuable skills. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they have the potential to generate income for years to come. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable provide the perfect marketplaces to showcase and sell your digital creations. Ebooks are a fantastic way to package your knowledge into a digestible and accessible format. Whether you're an expert in finance, fitness, cooking, or any other niche, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Printables offer a tangible way for customers to bring your designs into their homes and lives. From wall art and planners to greeting cards and party decorations, the possibilities are endless. Online courses provide a structured learning experience, allowing you to share your expertise in depth. Whether you're teaching a new language, a musical instrument, or business strategies, online courses empower students to learn at their own pace and on their own terms. To build a thriving digital product dynasty, remember these key ingredients. Identify a profitable niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience's needs and preferences. Create high-quality, valuable products that solve problems or fulfill desires. Market your products effectively, utilizing social media, email marketing, and collaborations. Provide excellent customer service, addressing queries promptly and exceeding expectations. Now let's explore the world of the gig economy, where you can become a gig economy giant, dictating your own schedule and being your own boss. In today's fast-paced world, flexibility is key, and the gig economy offers a plethora of opportunities to earn income on your own terms. Whether you're looking for a full-time alternative or a way to supplement your income, the gig economy has something for everyone. Ride-sharing giants like Uber and Lyft have revolutionized transportation, allowing you to turn your car into a money-making machine. Imagine setting your own hours, choosing your preferred routes, and meeting interesting people along the way. Delivery services like DoorDash, Grubhub, and Instacart are booming, offering a convenient way to earn income by delivering food or groceries to hungry customers. If you enjoy the open road and the thrill of exploring new places, this could be the perfect gig for you. Task-based platforms like TaskRabbit and Handy connect you with individuals seeking help with various tasks, such as furniture assembly, home cleaning, or handyman services. These platforms offer a diverse range of gigs, allowing you to put your skills to good use and earn extra cash. To thrive in the gig economy, remember these golden rules. Choose platforms that align with your interests and schedule. Prioritize safety and security, especially when interacting with strangers. Track your earnings and expenses diligently to maximize your profits. Provide excellent customer service, going the extra mile to ensure client satisfaction. Embrace the flexibility and freedom that the gig economy offers, designing a work-life balance that suits your needs. Our final stop on our journey to side hustle success takes us to the exciting world of turning your passions into profits. Imagine transforming your love for crafting, baking, or photography into a thriving business that brings you both joy and financial abundance. That's the power of being a hobby hero. Are you a crafting enthusiast, creating beautiful jewelry, candles, or home decor items? Platforms like Etsy provide the perfect marketplace to showcase and sell your handmade creations to a global audience. Imagine turning your living room into a bustling online store, sharing your unique crafts with the world, and earning income from your passion. If baking is your superpower, tantalizing taste buds with delicious cakes, cookies, or pastries, why not turn your culinary skills into a profitable venture? Start by taking local orders, catering events, or even setting up a stall at a farmer's market. Spread the word through social media, showcasing your mouth-watering creations and building a loyal customer base. Photography enthusiasts, listen up. Your ability to capture stunning images is a valuable asset that can be monetized in numerous ways. Offer your services as a freelance photographer for events, portraits, or even product photography. Sell your prints online through platforms like Shutterstock or create a stunning portfolio website to attract clients. To become a successful hobby hero, remember these key ingredients. Identify the overlap between your passions and market demand. Research your competition and identify your unique selling proposition. Price your products or services competitively while ensuring profitability. Market your business effectively, utilizing social media, local networking, and online platforms. Deliver exceptional customer service, building relationships that turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. And there you have it, our top 5 side hustles to launch in 2024. From becoming a freelance mastermind to ruling the gig economy, creating a digital product dynasty, sharing your knowledge as an online tutoring guru, or turning your passion into profit as a hobby hero. The possibilities for boosting your income and achieving financial freedom are endless. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments below which side hustle excites you the most and why. Let's create a supportive community where we can share tips, strategies, and inspire each other on our journeys to financial success. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more empowering content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for those financial goals.